Now some important tips for your exams. If clause never takes will or would. If clause के साथ में will और would use नहीं किया जाता. If you will come is incorrect and if you come is the correct one. Now rule using comma. Use comma when if clause comes first. अगर सेंटेंस में if clause पहले आता है तो comma को यूज़ किया जाता है. If you work hard, you will succeed. Then you will succeed if you work hard. In the second sentence, if clause is coming later on after succeed. So यहाँ पर comma का यूज़ नहीं किया गया. Then coming to inversions. Had I known the truth, I would have helped. Were I you, I would apologize. मतलब these are the examples of inversions जहाँ पर कि फर्स्ट हाफ और सेकेंड हाफ में एक इन्वर्जन हो जाता है. तो जैसे कि फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में अगर मुझे सच पता होता तो मैंने हेल्प कर दी होती. सेकंड में वर आई यू, अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैंने माफ़ी मांग ली होती. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ क्विक रीकैप ऑफ what we did in the last video. We did firstly types of conditionals. First one was zero conditional, which is always telling about general truth. If plus present leading to present. If you heat ice, it melts. First conditional depicts real future. If plus present leading to will. For example, if it rains, we will stay home. Then second conditional always depicts unreal present. If plus past leading to would. If I were rich, I would travel. Then third conditional always telling about unreal past and the sequence remains if plus past perfect leading to would have. If I had studied, I would have passed. Now here are some sentences you have to go through on your own and do write the correct options in the comment section. If I dash bracket में be have free, I would help you. If she had known the truth, she dash bracket may not make the mistake. If you study regularly, you dash bracket में score है and then well. आपको इन वर्ड्स का अप्रोप्रिएट यूज़ करना है और करेक्ट ऑप्शंस अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में आप लोग लिखें. प्लीज़ शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय